everyone, Miss Patsy here at Castile Innovation Lab. Today we will be studying the second grade science book, Pebbles, Sand, and Silt, Investigation 1, First Rocks, Part 1, 3 Rocks. Question: what happens when rocks rub together? Let's find out.
Today we are going to be geologists. Geologists are scientists that study rocks. Rocks come from the earth, so they are called earth materials. So let's observe our rocks. Here we have 3 different types of rock. Rock number 1 is called basalt. It is a dark, dense, fine-grained rock that used to be molten lava from a volcano. And then we have scoria, which is a reddish, porous rock with sharp edges formed from the froth on top of flowing lava. And then we have tuff, which is a light-colored soft rock made from volcanic ash. Now, our focus question for today is, what happens when rocks rub together? First, let's try the basalt. What happened when I rubbed these 2 rocks together? You can see some really fine sand. Comes off the rock. Now let's try it on the black paper. Isn't it interesting that the pieces of rock that come off on the black paper look white, but on the white paper look black? Okay, let's try the scoria. This is much easier to grind. Now let's try it on the black paper. Do they look different on the white paper and the black paper? Yes, they actually do. It looks brown on the white paper and orange on the black paper. Now, what we are demonstrating is called weathering. Weathering is the word used to describe the breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces. Weathering is a slow, earth-changing process. Now let's try the tuff. And then the dark paper. Does it look different on the white paper and the dark paper? Yes, it looks almost yellow on the dark paper, but brown on the white paper. So what is the effect of rubbing the rocks together? The rocks get smaller as tiny pieces of rock fall off. The tiny pieces are sand. How do rocks rub against each other in nature? Sometimes rocks rolling down the hill will hit each other and break off pieces off of each other. Now get your science journal sheet titled Rubbing Rocks and answer the question, what happens when rocks rub together? You can use some of the words that you learned today, such as geologist, basalt, scaria, tuff, and weathering. Basalt was the dark rock. Scaria was the reddish rock. And tuff was the lightest rock. I hope you enjoyed our investigation of rocks today. Until next time, have a great day.